Hi guys, it's Gaz here on the GAZWORLD channel. I'm here at Claycross Kawasaki in Chesterfield, Derbyshire in the UK. I'm just here to do a walk around review on this Italian 125cc 2022 Benelli Leoncino in red and black. The engine, like I say, is a 125cc single cylinder 4-stroke liquid cooled 4 valve SOHC, which is single overhead cam. It's got a power output of 12.8 horsepower at 9,500 RPM. It's got 10 Newton meters of torque at 8,500 RPM, and this is a Euro 5 engine. Show you some detail on the engraving on that, on the side casing. Benelli is an Italian company, but they do get made in China. We've got a ground clearance of 170mm. Like I say, if you like 4K close-up videos, be sure to subscribe to the GAZWORLD motorcycle channel. Be great to have you on board. Your front suspension is a 35mm upside down fork, and you've got a travel of 125mm. You've got 17-inch matte black wheels. Your front brake is a single disc 3-piston caliper, and the disc size is 280mm. And this bike has got CBS, which stands for Combined Braking System. LED indicators. You've also got your LED halo type headlight. It's got some sort of like badge on the front mudguard, which is a lion for the logo. You've got a wet weight of 145 kilograms. You've got a height at 1,115mm. You've got a width of 840mm, and you've got a length of 2,030mm. And just show you the seat, and the seat height is 795mm. Show you the tank. Your petrol tank holds 12.5 litres of fuel, and this bike does an amazing 60 miles per 2.2 litres. I'll let you work the figures out on that. Show you the dash. Show you this suspension. Rear suspension is a swing arm type, which is a single central shock, and that's got a travel of 53mm. Your rear brake is a single disc 2-piston caliper type, again CBS, and the disc size is 220mm. LED tail light and LED indicators. obviously chain driven, 6-speed gearbox. I mean, this Benelli is a cracking little bike for money. Really nice. Got your Leoncino badge. I'll just start this bike up, let you have a listen to it. So I'll just go quiet for a minute, let you have a listen. There you go. Like I said, this little 125cc sounds quite nice actually. So if you like this Benelli Leoncino 125cc motorcycle, please contact Claycross Kawasaki in Chesterfield. The bike is $3,699 on the road. That's a cracking price. I'll put a link to their website in the description below, so be sure to contact those. There's plenty of stock of motorcycles here, as you can see. But it's all about the Benelli today, so if you want to contact them, feel free. Thanks for watching. I've been GAZWORLD on the GAZWORLD Motorcycle channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.